Now we have to see the ray diagrams of lenses. See, it's a very similar to the mirror. So some of the things that we have to keep in our mind. Let's see the ray diagram. If we consider the convex lens, so I just going to use one of the explanation. Sorry. This one is the convex lens. Here we are going to be consider the f1. Already we know that. Here we are going to be consider the f2, 2f1, 2f2. So see, in case of the mirror, we already studied that if our object beyond the C, then image between C and F. So very similar here. If we consider this is the C, and if our object beyond this C, then our image is between F and C. So here this part we just going to be concentrate for object, and this part we just going to be concentrate for the image. So here my object, so image definitely is going to be formed between C and F. So here, due to the lack of pencil and scale, I just going to gives very rough diagram. First one parallel rays, it's going to be pass from focus, like this. Second rays, it's going to be cross from this center and meet on this point. Again, remind you the student, you have scale and pencil, so you can draw better diagram. So they both are intersect on this point. Once we draw this diagram, then see our image is going to be formed. Very easy. We can say that this is our object and this is our image. So our object beyond the C, then image between C and F. Again, same consideration we are going to be take. Suppose if we are moving towards the 2F means if my object move towards 2F1, so my image move towards 2F2. See, very similar phenomena. In case of the mirror, we already studied that if my object is on a C, then image is again on the C. Same at here, if my object is on a 2F1, then my image is on a 2F2. The difference between the mirror and lens is that in case of the lens, one side means left hand side we are going to put the object and the right hand side we are going to put the image, while in case of the mirror both are on the same side. Everything is going to be clear or remain the same. Fine. So here when our object beyond the C, then image between C and F. When our object on the 2f1, then our image on the 2f2. Similarly, when our object between 2 and f, 2f1 and f1, then our image beyond the 2f2, then when our object on the f1, then our image at the infinitive. Similarly, when our image or when our object means moving from infinitive distance, then our image on a 2f2. So again we are going to be make the table, and again one exception case. Exception case means when your object between f1 and this pole, then image is going to be virtual. Then image is going to be virtual. Let's see. We just going to tabulate all the form. Here we have object position, and here we have image position. One more thing we just be added here: object position, image position, and nature of image. If beyond 2f1, then image between f2 and 2f2, nature is real and inverted. Again we are moving. If on 2f1, then image at 2f2, again real and inverted. If between 2f1 and f1, then it beyond 2f2. If same, if object at f1, then image at infinity. If at infinity, then image at f2. In all cases it's going to be remain like this. And one of the exception case, when object between f1 and pole, then your image is virtual and erect. So in this manner we can consider there is a 6 different cases: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Students, you have to do the practice of all the ray diagrams with the help of the pencil and scale. I hope you just go through it. If you have any doubts, then you can ask. Thank you.